Clarion Books and Harper Audio present Little Blue Truck's Valentine by Alice Schertle, performed by Oliver Wyman. Little Blue Truck was on his way, delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy, for, truth to tell, he hoped he'd get some cards as well. Blue drove into Hen's front yard with a polka-dot, egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said, "Beep," and Hen said, "Cluck." "What a perfect Valentine, Little Blue Truck." Pig's pink card said, "Please be mine."
"Beep,"
said Blue.
"Happy Valentine." "Oink,"
said Pig.
"A pretty pink. Just right for cards and pigs, I think."
Sample complete. Ready to continue?